Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a population density map using ArcMap. So before we even open the ArcMap software, let's look at the definition of population density. So according to National Geographic, population density is the concentration of individual within a species in a specific geographic locale. So this is to mean that we are going to visualize or to quantify the population of individuals living in a particular area. So let's open ArcMap and look at how to quantify or visualize the number of people per unit area. So in this folder, I have my shapefile. It's a population shapefile for Kitui County. Kitui County is one of the 47 counties here in Kenya. We're going to look at the population density in each constituency. So let's add that particular shapefile. So this is the shapefile. And if I open the attribute table, now you will be able to see or to understand the data, the shapefile. So here we have the number of divisional constituencies. So you have Central, Chuluni, and so on. These are the names of these constituencies. Then you have the total population of each constituency. You have the total area. Then this one is I calculated the population density. To calculate the population density is equals to number of people or population. Then you divide by the total area, that particular region. So let's open, in order to create to visualize the population density. Let's open the just right click the shapefile, then open properties, and then under symbology, make sure that you select the symbology. But before that, let's label this shapefile so that we get to understand. Now we have the names of this particular constituencies. These are the names of each constituency. And now we are going to visualize. So you right click and then open properties and go to symbology. Then we are going to choose quantities. Under symbology, choose quantities. We're going to use the graduated colors. Then the values you're going to use is the population, and then we're going to normalize this total population with total area. This to mean that we are going to divide the total population by total area. Normalization is actually in simple terms you are dividing. So let's choose classify. So you can see the break values. You have 11 to 149. You can choose if we do a quick math. So 150 is the highest value. If we do 150, you divide by 5 classes. So if we divide by, get 30. So we're going to do that's 30. 30 plus 30, that's 60. 60. Oh, sorry, this is 60. this 90, that's 120, and let's say 150. Let's try that and see. Oh, okay. Just click apply. Now you have the population density. This particular county. You can see the names of the constituencies. You can change the color of these labels. Just right click and properties, go to labels. You need to choose bold, increase the font, and you can choose height, not white. Let's choose another color like blue. Yes. Now so as you can see, Kabati and Chuluni seems to be the most populous or dense constituencies, Kitui County, followed by Migwani Central, and this, then you have Yata and Malmoni, Kuso, and these other ones. They have the same values, almost same values. So we can add base map to see where these Kabati and Chiluni, maybe they are towns or urban areas. We can choose to investigate. So let me give it some time. Going to take a while because my internet connection is not very good. Okay, now we have our base map. So let me zoom into Kabati. Then you can add the for the sake of time, let me just remove because of time. Now we are going to create a map for this particular just at the bottom of your ArcMap, you'll be able to see this row. We have data view, and then you have layer view. You're going to choose layer view. We're going to change the, or to set up our page in setup. Just click on that under file. Then you're going to choose A2, or you can even choose A1 because you need more space. Then we want it portrait. So click OK. Now we have here then you can change the scale to 500,000. Like that. Then increase to 50. Let's see how it looks like. And I think that's okay. Now let us now insert the data frame. Need that. Let's insert a north arrow. And I'm going to choose let me choose this one. Click OK. Like that. Then also going to insert title. I'm going to type in like that. Then let's change properties. I'm going to give it something like 18 bold. Change then it's underlined. Okay, it's too small, so let's change again. Okay, Now can also add, before you add the legend, I'll prefer to add scale bar first, and I'm going to choose the first one. Then we're going to change the properties. You're going to change the division unit from miles to kilometers, and gaps, let's make it 4 points, and label position, let's make it above center, like that. Okay, like that. Drag it the bottom like so. We have a scale right there. Then we can also insert scale text. We're going to choose absolute scale, then change the properties using absolute by k. That, double click, then we're going to change some properties. We're going to make it bold, change the font type to Times New Roman, that, then yeah, then apply. Okay, we're going now to add a new text for scale, so that people should know this is a scale. What we're actually doing, we are following all the cartographic rules making, because you can't just assume everybody will know that this is a scale for your map. So I'm going to choose text, I'm going to add it right here. So it's so small, just double click, and you're going to change, let's call it scale Times New Roman, size 24, and then it's bold, and so tiny. Let's increase the font, 48. Okay, right. Okay. Then with this one selected, press Control and then select this one. We're going to group them together, then move it the top, like that. The other element that we need to add, let us add a neat line, and I'm going to choose, we're going to place around all elements. Then the type that you want to choose is double graded. Background color, I don't need the background color. Then let's change some symbols. Can do let's reduce that one to 2, like that. Or we can just make it 1.5, like that. Okay, apply, okay, like that. And then move it down a little bit so that when you print your map, do not be cut out. Now let me add some dynamic text, and the text we're going to add is the coordinate system, and it's right here. So I'm just going to make it center, change the symbol, make it Times New Roman, increase the font to font 20, or just make it 24, then make italize, and it center, just center aligned, like that, and place it somewhere there. That. Then another thing we need to add is the legend. So let's add, okay, we want to set the number of columns to 1. Click next. We want the title to be center aligned, bold, and it Times New Roman. Next, we want point 1 line. Don't need background color. Next, finish. Okay. This thing to move it outside so that we can do some editing. Now right click, then convert to graphics, then can then ungroup and this out so that you can comfortably delete that. So what we want to name it population density, and we want it at center aligned. We're going to change the font type to Times New Roman. That. Okay, lie. Okay, delete the legend. You can also choose to okay, I think that's enough purpose of this tutorial. Then let us again group them together, select all of them, then right click and group, and move your the border, that, then select the elements and click the anywhere, then right click and group them again. Now we can really move this particular legend around. So, and last we're going to add some grids. Just going to add some grids. Just click like that, then you right click, then you click properties, then choose grids, new grids. You want measured, let me choose, choose a measured, then click next, and grids and labels. You can see the preview. Okay, let's do next. Then you apply. You can choose, let's do some editing. You want the grids, let's make this times new from that, then font, let's make thing like 12 or 14, then additional properties, make that to 9, 8. Color, let's increase the intensity of that particular. Okay, and like this, the symbol we want to reduce, make it 1, then reduce the intensity of the, so that not block other. Okay, to labels, lines, team intervals, x intervals, let's make 4. Let's make that to 7. Okay, bye. Can even choose to increase the interval, like that 5. Increase the y interval to 8. Kepler. Like that. Then click OK. Again, you're not able to see the let's increase the font size. Still not able to see. Make it something like 28, like that. Then okay. Then you can choose to move scale. I can choose to increase. Let's increase the font. Let's increase this to something like 10. Now we have our map. So now we have your density map. You can choose to export your map as a PDF. Let's export it to our working folder, and under desktop I have this folder right here. I'm going to label it as population. I want it in PDF. You can choose to save it as a JPEG. Then resolution, I want it in 300 dpi, and save. Then I can save density like that. Click save. So I minimize this, and then we open our the map that we've just exported. We open the PDF now be able to see your map correctly like that. So so basically that's how we create a simple population density map in ArcGIS. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.